Welcome back to part 2. This is going to be the screen protector application process. The first part kind of highlighted what was in the box, and now we're going to do our best to install this. Now, notably, I'm never good at this and it takes me multiple attempts, but I am going to do this hopefully the right way the first time. So again, we got the wipes, a little cleaning cloth, the phone, the screen protector being loaded with the case for quick, easy installation. And of course, this little doohickey that helps iron out all the bubbles. Let's go ahead and remove this top part. Always so exciting. And honestly, I don't see any dust on it, so I'm gonna see if I can get away with just putting the screen protector on. So what it appears like is you just take this, put it over it. And just pull this component. Slide across. Give it about a 10 to 15 seconds to cure. Cross your fingers. Still trying to cure. Honestly, not terribly bad. Let's take this little bubble remover. Got this little pesky bubble here at the bottom. So let's see if I can iron that out more. All right, there goes the screen protector application. It's not terribly bad, don't see any dust. Got a few small hiccups here and there, but all intents and purposes seem to go very well. All right, stay tuned. I'll be doing a quick overview of the case I purchased, and please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. All right, thank you.